Today we're going to be installing a carbon fiber license plate surround on this C8 Corvette.
Hello, I'm Donna Marie and you're watching the Corvette channel.
Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Scott and today we are going to be installing this carbon fiber surround around the license plate here on this C8 Corvette. As you can see, it's going to go like here like this. Now it is a multiple piece, so we've got to put it together here. Okay, so what we've got is we've got our base piece, and then we're going to have the license plate, and then we'll have the front trim that goes on. And so what we've got is we've got some foam that's going to go around this, so we need to put that foam around it to help protect this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to jump into the video and I'm going to show you how it's done. So what we want to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to put the trim pieces of this foam around the back side. Now it doesn't really matter, I see the back side, they're both done in carbon fiber, both sides. While I'm doing this, we'll talk about where we're getting these from. This is from a Nuberhone. It's nuberhone.com. I'm going to go ahead and put all the information here up on the screen. They sell on Amazon as well as on their website, and they are a new and upcoming company that is making really good products. I have seen, or I shouldn't say I've seen, I've installed some of their side skirts and their front splitters, and you guys have seen those videos, and so you know that you've seen some of their work, and you know that it's really good stuff, and it's great stuff for the budget minded. It's not super expensive, and so that makes it so you can go and actually get a few different parts for your car and it not break the bank. Okay, so I've been very happy with what they've been sending me, and it works great, and we're happy to be putting this on Speedy's car today. This is a Stingray, this kit's for a Stingray, so couldn't put it on my car. I like it really well. I wouldn't mind putting one of these on my E-Ray, but it does not fit, so just keep that in mind, guys, that this is for the Stingray. Now they are, I'm going to go ahead and put a link up on the screen here for you to be able to get to yours. Okay, so if you want to buy one of these for yourself, just reach out to them. You can go to the link that I put on the screen here, and they will get you going. Okay, but I think you'll be very happy with how this looks on your car. Now what we're doing right now, guys, is we're just putting on some protective trim here around the edges. This is going to keep it's going to keep it from scratching the car. Okay, because we want to keep that. We do not want to be scratching our car, so they've given us this foam. Okay, and it just sticks on. So we're going to go ahead and put that on there. It's like this. And they give you all the hardware you're going to need, all the little cosmetic caps, and the security screws, so somebody can't just decide, oh, I like that, and take it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put that on. All right, and then like I said, we've got some more sticky tape here, or sticky foam, I should say. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put that like right in here, just like this, on both sides. And all of this is included in the kit. And guys, we have even more stuff coming from Nuberhone that we'll be doing on another Corvette. Alright, so we've got our sticky tape on there like that, or I keep calling it sticky tape, but the sticky side, but we've got foam in there, so it's going to protect the car so it doesn't scratch it. Alright, so now we'll go ahead, what we're going to do now is we're going to just take the license plate, and I'm going to kind of get rid of this little bit of white sticky tape here. I don't want that to be seen. It's like so. I think all that's going to be down below. So we're going to go and we're going to put that right here. Okay, and what it does is it sandwiches the plate, just like this. Okay, so it puts it and sandwiches it together. So now it comes with the black security screws, and it comes with the little caps. So I've gone ahead and I've taken a security screw here, and I've put the cap on it, or the base of the cap. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put that through like that. And we're going to do the same thing over on this side. Now actually what we should do is since we only have 2 screws to mount up here, we'll go ahead and we'll put these in here in the bottom. Okay, like that. And then we've got some black nuts that we can go ahead and 10mm nuts that we can go ahead and we can see if I can get that to go through. We can go ahead and tighten it up from the back side. Gotta get the plate to play nice a little bit. There we go. Got that on there backwards. There we go. Just like that. So we're gonna flip these over, and we've got our 2 10mm nuts here. So we're gonna go ahead and put those on. Get those started. Like so. Just like that. Alright, so now what we can do is we can go ahead and we can, I'm going to use a 10mm drive here, and the included security screwdriver that's included, which is right here. Okay, get back in the camera. But we're going to go ahead and I'm going to use this right here. Just like that. Just like that right there, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to be able to set these. We'll get those set. Just like that. Get this one done. Okay. So that part's done. So now, that's pretty much what it's going to look like, guys. It looks pretty cool. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and we're going to take our other 2 screws, and we'll put those in. Okay. Just like that. Now they do include a speed bit for your screw gun, which is really cool. So instead of you having to use the tool, which you could use the tool, it's obviously included, but now at this point you can see that it's going to be really simple to do. Okay, so now all we're going to do here is we'll be able to put this up here like that. All right, so now that we've got this all screwed together, these screws are a little bit long, and I don't want anything to scratch the back of the car. There's no need for it, right? So they've included some little tabs, little rubber covers here that we can go ahead and we can put over those. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put a couple of them on. That way we don't end up with any issues in the future. Okay, just like that. All right, so now we can go ahead and we can put this on like this. And we'll get that to start. Let's see if I can get my screw gun here. There's one. Okay. And that one goes right there. All right. Comes out even. Looks great. Nice and secure, not going anywhere. I think it looks pretty nice, don't you? Alright, guys, that was pretty simple. The only thing we got left to do is put a couple caps on it. We got those sitting here somewhere. What do I do with them? Oh, I put them in this cup holder. Alright. One more. There we go. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to put those on. These are the typical license plate frame caps that just jumped right off on me. There we go, there's one. There's two. There's three. And let's see here, we'll get the last one right now. If I can get that one to go on, we'll be good. Alright guys, there you have it. Alright guys, hopefully you found this video helpful and informative. And if you did, you're going to know exactly where to get your license plate frame. I'm going to go ahead and put all of their information right up here on the screen. It's nuberhone.com. I'm going to put the link to this particular product right there. But be sure and check out their website and check out all of their stuff on Amazon. They've got a pile of stuff. And like I said, everything that I have touched with them has been top notch at a reasonable price. So you can't beat it. You really can't. Everything, and you know, when you feel this, and when you get one of these and you feel it, you're gonna feel that it's quality. I know this. You know, sometimes when you look at stuff like that, you go, "Oh man, that's just gonna be cheap." No, it's not. This, when you feel it, I'm feeling this. This has got such a beautiful feel to it. It's crazy. And it just really looks nice. So anyway, I just want to thank you guys all for watching today. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and hit that little bell so you'll be alerted of all of our next uploads. And guys, thanks again for watching, and we'll talk to you later.
Thank you for watching the Corvette channel. Don't forget to hit subscribe.